Chapter 10: Building Relationships in Supply Chain. For any relationship to succeed, all parties must have confidence in one another. Certain conditions can necessitate secrecy agreements due to the handling of sensitive information. During the initial discussions, the atmosphere of a relationship is typically created. Negotiations can be approached solely by the lens of give me. A company must provide a win-win situation with both the supplier and the company. Because both the supplier and the buyer chose to remain in business, the supplier must be placed in a position where he or she can earn a reasonable profit. Two factors are crucial to a company's growth. The first requirement is the ability to maintain market share by selling products at a profit. The second prerequisite is the ability to access a consistent and high-quality supply of necessary products. These two factors combine and have a direct impact on the company's operations. The three forms of supply chain interactions are supplier associations, regulatory bodies, and business voices. Vertical, horizontal, and full supply chain collaborations are the three types of supply chain partnerships. However, supply chain collaborations are classified into three types: transactional, collaborative, and strategic.